Trades here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Grand Falls pressure washer from Giraffe Tools. And what this is a wall mounted pressure washer, and it's really awesome because it has a really awesome storage for the hose, which is kind of one of the most annoying things about a pressure washer. Is I feel like you're always pulling around power cords or hoses all over and you're trying to detangle them a lot. And this solves a lot of that problem. It automatically reels it in. You start pulling it out and it will pull out on its own, and it automatically latches when you give it a little bit of slack. And then when you pull it out, it will retract back in, kind of like one of those trouble lights that retracts on the top of your ceiling in your garage. And it really is so much less of a hassle than a traditional power washer. I love this thing. I'm going to go over what comes in the box, show you how to install it, and go over my thoughts on this pressure washer. And I really do love this pressure washer. This thing is amazing. I will not own any other type of pressure washer after trying this out. So installation was super simple. You literally just have to mount it onto a wall. I use it onto these big heavy-duty wood studs here. I drilled some holes with the template. I used a pretty small drill bit, and then I just drilled these lag screws in with an impact gun. You can just use a normal ratcheting wrench if you need one. It's a 1/2 inch socket for the bolts. But again, if you are using it into concrete, you do want to use these anchors to hold it in there. And so the other really nice thing, other than the hose reel, is that this whole thing you can just lift off and take it inside if you need to. If you unplug it, you put this hose on and unhook this, you literally just lift it straight up off of here, and you can go and put this inside. If you know it's going to be really cold outside and you might freeze, you can just take it and throw it in your basement, throw it in the back corner of the house. And it does have some nice handles here on the sides to hold it. Line it up, set it in there, and then it just sits right on there. And again, it takes a lot of the hassle out with all the cords, the power cord, the hose getting tangled and twisted up, and it evenly distributes it so it weaves back and forth as it reels in or out, and so it makes it nice and smooth on here so it's not going to get bunched up and get caught. And then I really do like that you can just take the whole thing off the wall if you need to. I thought the mounting process or putting it on or off would be really annoying, but it's super simple to do. You literally just slide it up off and slide it down on there and put it on and off. It also has a GFI built into the plug, obviously, because it is a water type tool. So if it does get water on the plug itself, or if it notices it's got a short, it will immediately turn itself off. And then you can reset it with these buttons here on the back, just like any other GFI outlet plug would have. If you are looking to purchase this pressure washer, check out a link in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know those down below as well. But I just can't say enough good things about this. I will never buy a different pressure washer. It goes 100 feet. I can reach it all the way around to my front porch, go off and do my siding, do all my whole driveway. It's got a really awesome reach on it. It comes with some concrete anchors. These are for if you're mounting it onto a concrete or brick wall. It comes with the mounting hardware for the pressure washer. It comes with the hose. This is what you hook your garden hose up for a water supply to it. It comes with your pressure washer here. It has 4 different nozzle tips here. Power cord is included. It also comes with a really nice foam cannon. And I thought, looking at this thing, that it was kind of going to be a cheap one, but this foam cannon rocks. It's really awesome. You can change the width of the spray here so it fans out and sprays wider or narrower by rotating this. And then this here changes if you want it to have more soap, more suds, or less suds. You can actually, if you turn it all the way the one direction, it will just shoot water out. So if you want to rinse without having to take the tip off, you can. It also has a quick release tip. So you just pull this back with one hand and then pop the nozzle off. And, and same with the foam cannon, it does work with the quick release. It also comes with a cleaning out the tip tool so that after you're done using it, or if the tips get clogged, you can use this to clean them out if debris gets stuck in there. It comes with a level to help mount it when you're mounting it. This pin was a little confusing at first, but what this does is this stops the wheel from rotating. So if you do need to service it or add a different hose onto there, you can put this in one of these little slots here, and it will stop the wheel from rotating if you ever need to take it apart.